Hey, it's Skillbyte here. This video is going to be a really quick one on how to change cutting blades on your mower. This one's a Husqvarna. They're all pretty much the same. You got these bolts that hold them on. They'll probably be covered in grass, dirt. Use a fire brush and gently break off the dirt, or you can scrape them however you want to do it. Mine are a 5/8. So the trick on these, so you can get leverage, you know, you try here, nah, it's probably not going to work. What you want to do, screw like this, and they literally will just break loose. If yours doesn't, use some penetrant on it to loosen it up. Get that out. Now on the Husqvarna, which is what I have, it has a star pattern on the blades. Some others do as well. Be sure when you're putting them on that you get them the right side up. The fins should point down, not up. It doesn't really matter where you put them on. So these are the ones I went with. They're a few dollars more, but the ones for this one, which is a RZ5426 Husqvarna, 18.5 inches by 2.5 inches and 0.197, 5-star. Link will be in the description for this. But I went with these because the old ones, they were the cheap ones and they just fell apart. So you got this on. Now you just put that on and to tighten it, just same thing. Use the leverage of the blade. And they don't have to be that tight. I mean, that there is tight. All right, now you just got to put your deck back on. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.